Hi folks, Robert here with more Revit Training. We continue on with our residential template. So now I'm in the basement of this building we're doing. Here's our 3D model. So we got sort of everything done except the ceilings and the roofs. So that's how we're looking in 3D. I got all wood floors here. So back into that section view here. So this is what happened. This is all unexcavated under here. This is going to be the basement, and we're going to have a slab on here. That's about a 6-inch or 4-inch. Probably should be 6 inches, but I'm going to leave it there. And now, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back into this level, basement. And so here I added windows. And these windows came from, this would be this elevation view. So I basically extracted that window. It's a 4 by say 3, 5, something like that, and I just took that and I duplicated what I had, and I created these windows here. So I got all these windows on this level, okay, which will go into the 3D view, and these are defined here. So those are the basement windows. You got one there, there, there. So if you can see it here, I'll just tile these if I can. Yep. Okay. So now, I'm going to close. I'm going to leave this one open, and actually I'm going to tab these views so we can see them better. But that's our section again. We got our ceiling and the wall. So let's go over and do the basement. So I'm going to get the basement done here. Sorry, folks. By the way, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel as we make these videos. So here's our basement. And anybody want this file, this AutoCAD file, I can send it. Something I had. Actually, this is my mother's house. I did this a long time ago. And so there's our basement, and we got our floor and everything. Now, we want to move up now. We got all our basement. So let's go and look at our project browser here. And let's go to the first floor. Now here's our first floor here. Now this is actually the second floor. So what we're going to do here, this is our first floor, and we've got, we're not going to really see this, but I'll show you the second floor anyway. So this is the first floor, and this is going to be our second floor. If it'll open. So as you can see, we got rooms and everything there, and then you can see underneath, it's kind of like the old CAD file, but it's grayed out because this is what you're going to see in the second floor. But we're not going to worry about the second floor. Let's go down to the first floor. Here in the first floor, we got these wooden floors here. I'm not going to even ignore this up here. So there's the stair going down. This is going to be a utility area. In fact, let's go back to the basement here. This is a utility room, so I'm going to go and I want a hot water heater here. This is where the hot water is, so I'm going to go to Insert tab. By the way, I haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It's going to be a series. Hopefully it's done fast. And I'm going to go to my load family. And I'm going to go up to mechanical. Let me just say water heater here. I think I might have one in the file already. Let me see. So I go to systems and I go to equipment. There we go. We got one in there already. And then on the properties, you'll see it. There you go. That's a 40-gallon. Probably maybe a 50 for a house like this. And we'll set it right there because the water will be coming from the front, so we'll add that guy right there. The water's going to come from the outside. Out, and these are outs. Okay. Okay, so there's our hot water heater, and then we're going to go and grab our air handling unit here now. Let me see, we got one in here. Load it, would you like to? Yes. Oh, but we can't load it this way for some reason. This is another little issue with 26, actually in 25 as well. You literally have to go into the insert tab and go onto the cloud, see, to pick up your elements. Unless you got off-site location to keep your families, which I actually do. Let's go to mechanical. We got an air handling unit here. So I'm going to just go with, this is probably a dual one. I'm going to load it in. And I'm going to go back to systems, kind of equipment. And I'll just add this guy right here. I'm not sure if this is what I want there, but I'll put it there for now. That's going to be our air handling unit, or our heat and air conditioning in this space. So this is all kind of one room here. You might probably should put an extra door there, but for now we'll leave it like this. So there's our basement. Now we want to go up to the second level here, the first level in here. So this is our first level, and this is the living room, and this is the kitchen. So in the kitchen, we got these wood floors, so let's go and make a change here. Actually, see, we got our equipment we can play in here. So I'm going to go and I'm going to edit this floor type, and I'm going to duplicate it. And here we got wood joists on 10-inch wood finish. We're going to go with 10-inch wood joists on tile finish. You need tile on the kitchen floor. Because, I mean, you know, probably be tile or whatever. And then we want to edit this. We can preview it as well. So there's our wood finish. So near, we got oak flooring here. I'm going to just go, you can leave it at 3/4 of an inch, but I'm going to go out here and I'm going to go find something else. I'm going to find some tile, or porcelain or ceramic tile. Let's see, wood. Now we can create a finish as well. Let's see. See if I just key in ceramic tile, what would happen here. I don't want to waste too much time on this. Okay, ceramic mosaic gray. Okay, ILE. Let's go with this, let's go with that one, the mosaic gray. And then I want to go and, this is the appearance, and I don't really like that. So I'm going to go back here. No, I don't like that finish. That's a little bit much for the bathroom. So let's see what this looks like. Let's see, what do we got here? Graphics. I don't like that one either. So I'm going to just knock those down, and I'm just going to go tile here. We create something new. So I'm going to go with porcelain. Now let's just go with the vinyl for now. And the graphics here, we got 12-inch, and that's what I want. And then let's go back to appearance now. And here in appearance, we can select this guy, and we can go and change this to whatever we want. So to do that, you will select this little guy right here. And these are all your finishes. So I'm going to see if I can preview these large, because I kind of like to see them. Where is that button? Here you go. Views, thumbnails. So these are all of our tile finishes. So I'm going to go with something like something kind of cool. You know what I mean? I've seen a lot of these before. Let's go with that's carpet. Let's see, these are brick. See, we got a whole lot of them here. So here we go, tile, ceiling tile, ceramic. Okay, here we go. So now we want to go with the I don't like that. I'm not going to, sorry about this. So let's go with this. Nope, that's concrete. So let's go with ceramic. Well, you got a lot to choose from here. Here the floor finishes here. Um, Ah, let's go with one of these. Actually, let's do this one. Let's take this one. We'll open it up. Yeah, that might work. And then our physical here. This is what it would look like in appearance. So now I want to go into graphics. And yeah, we want to make that good. That's going to be a 12-inch tile. So I'm going to apply that. Okay. So it's there, looks like it. And we're going to go okay again. And go okay. And there we got our tile floor for the kitchen. So then we've got the dining room here, the living room here, which is going to be wood for now, or we can do what we did with the carpet. So now I'm going to hop up to the second floor. Now on the second floor, I'm going to probably shut off the AutoCAD drawing because I've got it done and it's just going to confuse things. But this bathroom right here, it's a little small bathroom here. I'm just going to go and grab this wood floor here and I'm going to edit this boundary. I'm going to just pull this back to here and this one back to here. I want to add a line here and here. I'm sorry guys, we've done these before. And here. And then I want to okay that. Don't want to attach that. And now here, for this floor, I want to make this tile as well. Same at the master kitchen. So we're just going here to here because this is our plumbing wall. And I'm going to just go with the floor. And I'm going with the 10-inch tile. This is 10-inch floor on the tile. So I'm going to just go grab this guy and this one over to here. And then I'll get my span direction from that. And I'll click it, finished. Okay. Is that the second floor? Yes, it is. Why I'm not getting the... Okay, let's see what's happening here. I'm going to go back to the first floor. Tile finish. Up here. Oh, okay. The wrong floor. This is the tile finish, so... where it is. There you go. Okay. So we got our floor, our wet area floors done, and actually we can go back to that basement and make this as well. So I'm going to just take all this. I'm going to select this guy here. Just select it. I'm going to edit this boundary, and I'm going to push all this back to here in the basement. Finish it. And then I'm going to do the tile in here as well. So I'll go with the floor. For now, this is not going to be 10-inch floor wood, but we would have to create a tile finish on top of here. But I'm going to just use this for now. Cheating. Floor. Go from here down through to here. And I want to finish that, and it's going to be tile finish as well. Okay, so now we've got our flooring done that we're going to use for this project. So I'm going to go back up to the second floor. So there's our second floor done, floors. And there's our kitchen. So now I'm going to add some equipment in this kitchen, but we have to be on the, now we want to double check everything through the section view, of course. See, we got an issue right there. That's not the right flooring, so you need to take that out. I'm going to delete that for now because that doesn't go there. So I'm going to go and just delete it. And then you want to take this guy and edit this. So this is a good check for you if you want to make sure you're doing the right thing. So I'm going to edit this type here. And I'm going to duplicate it. And we're going to say concrete slab, tile finish. Okay. We will edit the type here, and we're going to add a layer here. So we have to add a layer on this. So insert, I'm going to move that up. And then here I want to select the builder. And there's that tile finish. I might want to use that for here. And I think I can, or can I? Well, I'm going to use the material, so I'm going to say okay here. And then I got to give it a thickness. Actually, this floor, we wanted this floor to be 6 inches now. So let's make this 5. And we'll make this 1 inch. This will be 1 inch tile. Now let's make this, 5.5 inches. And then this, the tile will be 1/2 inch. Okay, now let's see what we got here. I don't think we got it. Let me see. Let's edit this type again. Let's look at this. Go into edit mode here, and then we'll look at our builder. Oh, I know what happened. We got to go check our appearance here. Yep. Our graphics. We want to go view and render appearance. Use render appearance. We're going to go apply. Okay. Now let's go back into the basement of our building here. Let's see what we got here. Basement. And there's our, we don't want that one. Actually, for the basement, we probably want to have this whole floor tile because of the fact it could get wet down here. So yeah, we're going to do that for the basement, the entire basement. So here, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to just bring this all the way across. So I'm going to just edit this. Yeah, because we've had a lot of floods down here. So we're going to go with tile in the basement, and we actually did change this to tile. Because the flooding, the carpet, and the wood floors just didn't work. Because we got a drain here somewhere that we'll add when we got a mechanical drain. So here you go. There's the floors. So we've got our first floor now. And let's go and add some equipment. So here we've got a stove and a refrigerator. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add these appliances here. And come back and do the rest of this later on. Finish the floors, and then we'll do our ceilings. So here we're going to get a sink. And we're going to go into our, there's that view. So let's go back into our 3D view here. So it's all coming together here, folks. So let's look at this. Now, there's our tile floors. There's our kitchen. So anyway, guys, I'm going to leave it there. This is a little longer than I wanted. I'm going to pick up the rest of this later, and we're going to do our ceilings and our roof next in the next video. So, hey, guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Catch up with me, and I'm going to make a series of this. Everybody be safe and bye. Have a good day. I'll see you guys in the next video. Be safe. Bye.